Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your iPhone and use your microphone. Forgive my mic quality, I'm not using my normal good mic, I'm using my AirPods. Before we get into this, I just want to ask if this video does help you today, please consider giving me a super thanks or really just engaging in this video in any way, as it really helps support me. But let's just get right into it. So to start the screen recording, I swipe down from the top right like that, which brings up this menu. It's kind of like the command center. You have all these options, and the bottom left, you'll see this red dot blinking. That's my record. It shows that I'm recording right now. And to actually turn the mic on and off, you want to long press that, and by that I mean literally hold it down for a few seconds until you get here. And you'll see there's a microphone on and off section down here. So you can go and click that, and it'll actually turn off. And then I can turn it back on and my voice will come back. And it'll default to whatever mic your phone is using. So I'm using my AirPods, and it's going to use my AirPods to do this. And you can also select up here above it if you want to actually stream like an individual app or something. But yeah, that's basically the easy way to do it. And then you'll be back here and you're good to go. Anyways, if this video helped you, you know what to do. Peace.